Welcome to the OPUS Projektor tool training. In this video, I want to show and explain the project versioning system. So why have we done something like that? Basically two reasons. The first one is a convenience for customers, especially our system integrators that deal with many different projects and different customers of theirs. With the versioning system, you can freeze certain stages of a project that you have given to customers. So you give project to customer A, you make changes for customer B and send them the project, and now customer A wants an update, but he doesn't want, or you don't want to give him the changes that you made for customer B. So you can open the revision of the project that you gave to customer A, and if you decide to develop that further, save it in a different place and make changes for customer A there. Or maybe you just want to check things. When you create a new project, there's this checkbox now, Enable Project Versioning. It is checked by default because we can only recommend to use this in any case. Because the second reason to use it is in that hopefully very rare case that saving a project goes wrong. Might be a crash from the projector, might be a power loss, might be interference from an antivirus program. Something can happen. The save progress failed and the project cannot be opened anymore. With the versioning, you will be able to access all stages of the project that you had saved. So I have created this project, I've created 3 string fields, and in between I had saved the project. There's now a new button here, the revision browser. And if you look at this, you will see that I have quite a few stages of the project in the revision browser now. Note that I cannot access them from here. This can only be done when opening the project. So let me close it. And now you see when you open a project where the project versioning is turned on, you will see this screen now. By default, you just click on Open Revision and it will open the last one, because usually this is what you want to do. But let's say now I have given my customer, right, I cannot click it. I need to uncheck the latest revision because there's a warning here already. It is possible to delete later stages of a project. Let me open this stage now where I only created the first string field. Okay, so let's confirm. Yeah, there's only one string field here. And I will just do some changes. And by now I have totally forgotten that I opened an older revision of the project. So I will just save and I will get a warning. If I do this now, the stage with the second string field and the third string field and all the others that came later will be removed. This is the revision that I have opened now. And this was the last one. If I save this project now as it is, this will be the new master, the new head. And all these revisions will be gone. If you want to continue development on this stage, then you need to rename it, or you can use save as to save it under a different name. The versioning cannot be used and should not be used to create branches. So you cannot have 2 versions of the project being developed in parallel. You cannot make changes to two different styles of the project or develop it for customer A and customer B in parallel, but have it the same project. This is not what we wanted. We wanted a simple kind of versioning that is used for safety and for archiving stages of the project. So I will close this now because I don't want to lose the later stages. I will open the latest revision and let's say I'm doing my final edits now. And this is how my project is supposed to go to the customer. So I will just save the project. And when I do, I get this dialog. Here I can type in some text for me, what I have done. And I can also give a tag. This is something very special. With a tag, you should only mark stages of the project that are very important. For example, if you have completed a set of pages, or especially if you have a stage that goes to the customer. So I will save this as customer A. Let's look at the revision browser. And now you see I have this tag here. And this revision will now always be available. It will not be deleted, even if I open an older revision. With the tag, a stage of a project is kept. This now could only be lost if I made other changes to the project and I would give the same tag. So one tag can only be used in one stage of a project. Please use the feature because it can save you a lot of time. We've had some customers that lost a couple of hours or days of work because a save process was interrupted. So it's for your own good. If you're thinking, okay, I would use it, but I cannot be bothered to have this dialog with every save, no problem. Go to the options. There's a new category versioning. Check enable auto commit on save. And now you will not hear from us again, but you will still have revisions. Please check the manual. Everything should be described there in much detail. Try it out, give us feedback, and I'll see you in the next video.